over the last week, I've been trying to play with this new video camera that I bought. It's a Panasonic TM700. I found on Facebook with from a lady that was in Clearwater. Works fantastic. Got a few little issues I gotta take care of, like the microphone can't handle the train horns that well, which you'll hear in this video here. But just going about and about this week, I caught a few trains, just testing it out between the day and the night, and I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I've caught. So here's my catches from this last week. We're starting out here with train A780 shoving back into Florida Rock here at the Sand Lake Road Sunrail station. This was the first nighttime video I had tested with this camera. Doing a lot of the stuff over here at night because of the way CSX works, it was good to test it out at night at the Sunrail station, which wasn't very bad. Next is a southbound Sunrail train. Wanted to see how it performs in the later afternoon, I set up here at North End Stanton Connection to shoot a southbound.
CSX 8900 approach limited. Meadowwood, one track.
Now we're at the Meadowwood Sunrail station. After P33 had gone north, we see CSX 0713 coming north with Class Unit 8900, the first in the order of the ST70 AHs that CSX had purchased. Next, we're at the NAS South End Stanton signals. This is where the A line branches off to the Stanton branch to go up to OUC and Avalon Park. Any coal trains you see for Orlando take this connection on the south end. After catching Amtrak 91, I start just going down the A line to see if I can pick up anything. I get down toward Auburndale and I hear a train going north. Well, I was on the seaboard side of Auburndale, down near Spirit Lake, so I had to catch up to the train, whatever it was. I eventually catch up between Haines City and Auburndale, and I find out that it's 0738. The JA dispatcher gets on the radio and tells 738 that he's going into the siding at Haines City, that way Amtrak 98 can overtake him. So pulling up to the siding, I see a clear signal on the main with 738 stopped in the siding, and up north came Amtrak 98, the northbound Silver Meteor from New York. Not wanting to see this train move slowly out of the siding at Haines City, I decided to move up to the south end of Davenport, thinking he'll just go right on through to the Martin Marietta between Loughman and Davenport. Well, I get there and see the signals displaying a slow approach, meaning he's going into the siding here. So here's 0738 with two ST-70 AHs pulling into the siding at Davenport. Last one is here at Intercession City at the milepost A814. We see Amtrak 97 rushing south toward Davenport, and eventually Tampa and Miami. And that's all about it for now. Work schedules had me really busy and I've not had time to go do proper rail fanning. But hopefully soon I'll be able to go. If there's anywhere here in Florida you guys would like to see me go or cover, mostly the Central Florida from like Jacksonville and Miami, let me know in the comments and I'll go do them. I might do a proper day in Tampa. I might go to South Florida, get some Florida East Coast. I'm not too sure yet. I need to think about what exactly I want to do. But thanks for watching, guys.